loving, caring. This is my family.
Welcome to Grandpa Kitchen.
Today we are preparing
Chicken Kuska recipe. Let's clean chicken. Let's cut veggies. We have very few vegetables, onions and green chilies, tomatoes and mint leaves and coriander leaves. This Kuska chicken recipe is famous in South India. So it's a traditional recipe in South India. Let's place the big bowl. First we add pure cow ghee. Add some oil. Natural spices. Let's add chicken. Adding some salt, turmeric powder, we need to fry on high flame until water evaporates from chicken. Adding some spices. Onions. Green chilies. Tomatoes. Fennel seeds. Ginger garlic paste. I'm using the same bowl which we have fried chicken. I'm using the same oil so the flavors stay inside. Coriander and mint leaves. Milk. Curd. Wow. Wow. Getting nice flavor. It's time to add soaked basmati rice. Cook for 5 minutes like this, then we will add water. Red chili powder. Also some garam masala. Add enough water. Cook on high flame for 10 minutes. Now we will squeeze few lemons. Stir slowly. will not allow to break the rice. Now I am adding chicken on top of it. Do not stir the rice. So we need to dip this chicken into this rice. Ghee. Finally, I am adding coriander and mint leaves. Keep on slow flame for 20 minutes. I am reducing the flame. Wow, looking awesome. It will be not like biryani, it is like little wet. Wow, nice aroma coming. I can't wait to taste it. Wow, it's a white color. You are seeing that is the raita we call here. It's a combination of curd and onions and mint leaves and curry leaves. We'll add little bit of salt in that. It adds more taste to this recipe. It's especially.
Wow.
What a, you know, every country has their own traditional recipes. So when it comes to India, we have a lot of diverse recipes. So we speak different languages, we have different habits. But when it comes to the traditional part, definitely it's a very uh, awesome, awesome combination. So we prepared so many biryanis, different types of biryani, but it is also it's a different traditional recipe in India, South, especially South Indian recipe. If you can find every ingredient what we are used in this recipe, if you can find individually whatever you see in the camera, in the video, if you search and if you can find, the every ingredient has its own benefits. It's a kind of a Ayurveda. So it's a very healthy recipe. You can also try in your home, at your home. Try at your home and please comment. Chicken Kuska recipe, super!